you're experiencing FPS drops in Red Dead Redemption 2, there are several adjustments you can make to improve performance. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game menu. We'd use options like texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing to lessen the strain on your system. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers for optimal performance. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help improve FPS. Step 4. Optimize game files. Use the Game Launcher's built-in optimization tools if available. This can help adjust settings automatically based on your hardware specifications for better performance. Step 5. Monitor hardware temperatures. Check the temperatures of your CPU and GPU while playing. If they are overheating, consider cleaning your hardware or improving ventilation to prevent thermal throttling. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing Red Dead Redemption 2. Happy gaming!